In this video, I'm going to show you how to make page unclickable in Wix. Let's get started. First, Home in my menu has a service list and a menu. Let's say that I am on the very bottom of the page and I click Home. It takes me back to the home page. But what if I want to make Home unclickable? Let's do that. Go back to the editor. And on the left panel, you want to go to Pages and Menu. And that's about it. And Home is considered as a menu item. Now, let's go and add a menu item. Let's say drop down and name this Home. Now, it will look different than this one. You want to drag this up to Home and then drag the sub-elements right in here. Now Home is now a separate page, and now Home here on the menu won't be clickable. Let's go to Preview. Now, if you click on Home, it's unclickable. Unlike Welcome, Home will be unclickable. And that's about it. That's how to make a page unclickable in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.